All the homies putting work. We only deep in the trenches. Through the weather, dust and dirt. We go to war in the trenches. Overtime just to overground. We got to start, no benches. My homie Vince told me fuck them all. Crossing no goals on the checklist. All of these bars and these lines don't believe me, man. I got the keys. Whatever gon' matter to these other rappers don't matter to me. All the homies putting work. We only deep in the trenches. My homie Chai said get it bro, so you know we gon' get it.
The feds say ain't gon' be shit. On the block rolling with the shits. I just wanna do better. Cop Fendi sweaters. Cooking live in the den with the Fox Tour you Sesame Media. Cook work, you know it's all hustle. Mad Wolves, you know it's all muscle. Fooling with a tick-ting in the back. Body time, you know it's all bubble. She just want some Jacquettes. Roll mob, go get us. Niggas starving that rib touch. Can't predict the next meal. I want my plate just steakhouse. You can keep your happy meal. I don't think y'all feel him. I don't think y'all see him. Rags to riches, no concern for bagging bitches. I'm in the trenches, I'm in the hood. Most of the time, it ain't good. I just came off a lick. Tell you the spot, wish I could. Shout.
All in there for the artichoke. All you really know is how to choke. Heads dropping when I let it go. Shots follow with a lot.